Hello everybody. Today we start the sixth lesson of science. Okay, already we finished five lessons and their question answers also. So today we start the new lesson is the plants in the surroundings and environment. Hmm? So in these lessons we learn about the types of the plant, parts of the plants, photosynthesis, plant products. Okay, so these all points we are going to learn in this lesson. So let us discuss it one by one. Okay, so in the last lesson, in the fourth and fifth lesson, we studied about the adaptations in the plants. Okay, adaptation in plants. So like that, in our environments there are the different plants. Okay, there are the different plants in our environments. So see, look at these pictures and identify the plants. Okay, and their types. Okay, so see here on this page number some plants are given, so you have to identify it and write the name it. Okay, so see it carefully. Okay, some and their types also. So their types of the plants we have to learn now. Okay, so see, turn the page. See, I read this first of all. So different types of plants are found in our surroundings. Plants are great natural source for the existence of life. All living organisms depend on plants for their food and shelters. Let us discuss about kinds of plants, parts of plants and their usefulness in these chapters. So, dear students, you know that the different types of plants are found in our surroundings. Okay, so plants is the great natural sources for existence of life because from the plants we get the different types of the foods. Okay, and it is also useful for the shelter. There are the number of the uses of the plants for our life. Okay, so all living organisms depend upon a plant for their food and shelter. So let us discuss it, their types of the plants. See, in our surrounding there are the different types of the plants. आपने कभी ऐसा देखा है कभी सभी प्लांट्स एक ही हाइट्स के हैं, एक ही टाइप्स के हैं? No. Okay, so there are the many kinds of plants around us and some are big, some are small. Some are weak, some are strong. कुछ weak रहते, कुछ strong रहते. Okay, so on the basis of size and types of the stem, see, size and types of the stem, plants are of three types. Stems, you know parts of the plants: root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits. These are the plants, parts of the plants. So on the basis of type of the stem, plants have three types, which are trees, shrubs and herbs. Trees, shrubs and herbs. So herbs are small and soft plants. Herbs are soft and small plant. Shrubs are medium and trees are big plant. See, look at this chart. See, these are three types of the plants, which are trees, shrubs and herbs. See, herbs, trees, okay, climbers also. Climber also are the types of plants, okay, having a different features. Creepers also. Creepers is also one type of the plant. And shrubs. So herbs are small generally and these are the soft plant. Okay, and shrubs are the mediums. Shrubs are mediums and trees are long. So or we can say that big plant. Okay, trees are the big plants. So creepers and climbers are also types of the plants, because but the creepers and the climbers are a weak plant. Okay, because of the stem of that plant, creepers, is very smoothly. Okay, so these are grow along the ground, such as a pumpkin, okay, bottle gourd, watermelon, and climber also weak plants, and they need the support to stand straight. देखो इन अपने घर में कुछ climbers रहते जैसे कि मनी plants है. Okay, so they need the supports to growth. Okay, so they take the supports of anything and then grow. Okay, like the climbers, money plants and pea plants are the climbers. Okay, so do you understand the types of the plants, which are climber, creeper, herbs, tree? Mainly three types: herbs, shrubs and trees. Okay, herbs, shrubs and trees, these are also type, but climbers and creepers. So now next points is the parts of the plant. Parts of the plants, like body parts. You know body parts, our body parts. So like that, plants have also parts and their different functions. उसके भी functions different रहते हैं. Okay, so plant has two main parts, which are root and shoot. Root and shoot. The shoot consists of stem, leaves, flowers, fruits. Which are stem, leaves, flowers, fruits. Okay, these are the parts of the plants. Okay, so see, look at the diagram. From diagrams your doubts are clear. See, these are the parts of the plants. See, this part is root. The part that under the ground is called root. Okay, and the part that above the ground is called shoot. This total part is the shoot. Okay, these total parts is called the shoots. That's totally parts. Sorry, not that, up to that. These are the shoot. What? Shoot. S-H-O-T. S-H-O-O-T. Shoot. And these are the roots. So in the shoots, which parts are included? Stem, leaves, fruits and flowers. Stem, fruits, leaves and flowers. These are included in the shoot. So, do you know the function of the roots? See, first of all we see the function of the roots. There are two types of roots: tap root and fibrous root. Tap roots and fibrous root. So, do you know the main function of the root? आपको पता है main function क्या है root का? Yes, root hold the soil and prevent it from the wash away by the water or wind. And second one, that root of the plant fix the plant firmly in the soils. Okay, root fix the plant firmly in the soils, so they prevent the plant from falling down. इससे वो नहीं गिरते. Okay, see, so tap root and fibrous roots, these are the types of the root. So see, when you called it tap roots, see, so like that. Okay, when in the tap root, a single thick root from which some small fruits grows at the end. देखो ये single thick roots दिखा दे रहा है आपको. Okay, at the center, and from that the small roots are grow at the end of stem. So it's called tap root. That's called tap root. And fibrous roots, how the fibrous are looking? See, like that. In there's the no main roots. Okay, there is no main roots, so many thin and bushy roots grows at the end of stem. From the end of stems, the many thin hair likes bushy roots grows. Okay, and these are called fibrous roots because they looks like a fibers. So these are the types of the roots: tap root, fibrous roots. So tap roots In which plants the tap roots are found? See, like bean, mustard, mangoes have a tap roots. That's have a tap roots. And fibrous roots, plants such as rice, wheat and grass have a fibrous root. देखो आप ग्रास अगर निकालोगे तो आपको उसको फाइबर्स रूट स्ट्रक्चर्स आपको दिखाई देंगे. ओके, सो सी फंक्शन ऑफ द रूट फिक्स द प्लांट. जैसे मैंने अभी आपको बताया रूट्स का फंक्शन फिक्स द प्लांट फ्रॉम इन द सॉइल्स, दे प्रिवेंट द प्लांट फ्रॉम फॉलिंग डाउन. ऑब्वियसली इफ देयर इज नो सपोर्ट ऑफ द रूट्स द plants are falling down, so they support the plant. They take in water, that most important function, take in water. Like a human need the waters, plant also need the waters, so they take in water and mineral from the soil and pass them to the stem. So these are the main function. Third, root of some plants store the food. Yes, some roots na store the food also, like a beetroot, carrot, radish. If you observe that all carrot, radish are the underground. Okay, means it's a one type of root, and this root store the food because it's edible. Okay, हम खा सकते हैं ना. So that's called that store the food and it's called edible roots. Okay, and last function, roots hold the soil and prevent it from the wash away. Okay, then another part is the stem. This part. Okay, this stem. So on the stems, what the function of the stem? The stem grow above the ground. Yes, see, the stem grow above the grounds, and this is the main part of the shoots because it bear branches, leaves, birds, flowers and fruits. देखो इसको सभी में fruit से, leaf से, flower से, branches. Okay, these all that parts are supporting on that stem. So these are the main part of the plants. So trees like the neem, mangoes have a thick, hard and woody stem called the trunk. And plants like the money plant, bitter gourd have a weak stem. They either need support or grow along the grounds. So in the mango and others big trees, generally big trees, there is a hard stem and that's called trunk. That's called trunk. So what is the function of the stem? See, stem hold the plant upright. Yes, see, look this. Stem hold the plant upright means in straight condition. Okay, so it carries the water and minerals from the root to other parts of the plants. It also carries the food made by leaves to other parts of the plants. Yes, it's do the function of transporting the water and minerals. Yes, roots take up the water and minerals from the soils, and then that water and minerals supply to the other parts of the plants with the help of stem. Yes, ये जो stem है ना, ये क्या करता है, जो water and minerals absorb करता है roots, वो supply करने का काम करता है. Okay, it carry the water and minerals from root to the other parts of the plants. And some stems store the food such as the potato is also underground, and these are called stem. Ginger, onion, sugarcane, these are the foods, okay, that store the foods. Next part, leaf. See, the leaf is usually green and has a flat surface. See, the leaf is usually green and has a large surface, flat surface. Okay, and the stalk of the leaf is called petiole. This is the stalk. Okay, this is called petiole, and the flat and broad part is called leaf blade. That's called leaf blade. And the leaf broad part is called leaf blade. That's a lamina. It's also called lamina. And leaf has a the main ribs is called mid-rib. Okay, it's called mid-rib. And it also have a number of side vein. From that mid-rib, there is a very number of the side vein has grown. Okay, so leaves contain chlorophyll and that helps in making foods. लीव्स में क्लोरोफिल सब्सटेंस प्रेजेंस होता है, इसकी वजह से वो फूड बना सकता है. दैट्स हेल्पफुल फॉर मेकिंग द foods. So leaves also have tiny pores called stomata and on their lower surface. So they help the plants for intake and release of air. See, on the surface of the leaf, the small pores are is not visible by eyes. Okay, it's are invisibles. If you look that leaf in the under the microscope, so you can observe the stomata. So it's a very small pores. Tiny means what? Small pores. So the small pores means stomata is present on the surface of the leaf. Okay, and they helpful for the leaf to take the oxygen, okay, and carbon dioxides. You know, plants give the oxygen, so it helpful for taking carbon dioxides for the photosynthesis process. Okay, so this is the structures of the leaf. Okay, do you understood that parts? Yes, root, stems and leaf. Okay, next parts we will discuss in next period.